Abusuafo mu bibi akwa ba so German Scafi so ana so German TV so. Bomode na subscribe to channel no. Like video no na share so de be ya unu bi nso nso be ka video ni bi. De nyina timi ade abom. Yes, abusua se opese utwa any NLA game a opese utwa any NLA game a emfa ba bia so be ba so German ya akachi. Nipa cho ofa number ya 0544237828 Bla Vincent obehwe atwa ma kama. Ana sister Celine so eguso bodwuma 0599212255 ono so o de send na obehwe atwa ma kama. Yes, ana 0246898449 ano so ye Bla Foster ono so obehwe atwa ma kama. Nipacho Lucky Tuesday ye ma 30% commission. Nti omo mmiensa nyina omo bia odi game ni be send no obema 30% commission free. Yes, udin so a ano de enyame kra na meka entempa na so no unsa ebeka osika enwumre ye. Yes, unsa beka osika kra before say 8 ebebo no matter the amount no ebetu aka enwumre ye. Enti yanhwe de offer ye Lucky Tuesday night. Yanhwe setup we transfer from NLA VAG Thursday. Okay, yanhwe event number 39. And also at 274 ewa. We are now amount double three. Okay, we are double 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now about to 28, 28. First box winning. 28 first box winning. Good. We are now about 64, 64. Now the extra 83, 16 center and fourth. Now a servo 87 and so our machine. Good. Into 28 first box. We are 64, 83, 16. No a servo 87 our machine. Nti we there osi emfa event enkodi yemfa event enkodi free ewo ho kama. Good. Nti yemna current na oba current na same ena obehihye no ewa ha ede amaye. Good. Nti obehya ase wo event number 930 ena obeto 74 no. We ye pe no my double 3. Nti 1 2 3 4 and over my 28 no first box winning. We are no abetwa 64. No they about 83 16 our center and fourth. No a 87 our machine. Yes, nti sa pepe na wahihye no ede wa ha de amaye. Kama. Good. Here a second setup right. The second setup no so our Lucky Tuesday na board. Year 2011 and was share no event number 201 me who so 262. So we are amount 53 machine. We are 62 no year basic machine. Good. Until we are 1 2 3 no about to 76. We are pe and about to 16 26 86 64. We try 4 numbers straight. 16 26 86 and 64 kama edemai nti ono so so we dia yemfa event enkodi na we event so no ye ba pick 76 no a free ball or jump aba dia 86 yenkanta no 41 86 yenkanta no 41 16 on command of 1. Nti ye permit event na near 76 41 15 etwa no best 3 enso ewo so 76 41 15 etwa no best 3 ewo ho kama. Good. Na current na oba current na say no abehihye no ewo ha ede amaye. Okay. Nti obeto 62 no ewo ha 62 owi e pe no my 53 owi e 62 no we ede abesi machine amaye kama. Nti we are 1 2 3 no about 76 no 76 we are almost 16 26 64 and 86 64 16 26 kama. Good. Nti we there say ose yemfa event enkodi no enkodi Good. Into these two events, and yeah, cancel any for and lucky Tuesday. The Kabuma Ebabinya long pem or ha. If you are near your best 5, so near your best 3. Near for you $2 76 41 76 41. Near for 76 free banker ebe jump live 76 ebe jump live. Yes, na kyese eno so eno no. Nti blafie na yenya adwuma. Blafie na yenya adwuma. Ese wo fa number 054423 7828 a Bla Vicent obehwe atwa ma kama udi nso antempa na so onsa ebeka osika na 0599212255 nso ye sister Selena ono so ebehwe atwa ma kama na Bla Foster nso 0246898449 ono so behwe atwa ma kama me say omo nyina oba 30% commission obi ade bema free udi nso antempa na so onsa ebeka osika nti na me say da bia no ye bi a comment section na to ho say in case we experience some bad service bi ewo ya hanoma betimi atrewa adwen ewo hono. Yes, nti na ye bi a comment section na to ho no bla ne beka wa adwen wo ho ya menka ho. Bye bye.